Hello, good day, good day, good day. You are back with Honest Living Supermarket channel again. I am giving you an update. Today is Wednesday. I told you I am bringing in 150 birds today. So please watch this video to the end. I will show you how I bring in my bird and how I start bringing them in, right? The first week, we have the first bird in the first section. So please watch this video to the end, right? Okay. Here, we have made the second section. Over there is the first section. We will go in there and get to show you first section, the birds. I will take out the feed chaff and I will fill up the feed. Okay, this is the first section. This is first week, 1 week, no injured bird. No injured bird. Healthy and wealthy birds. You are see how they are coming. Wonderful. Let's go over to this pen. We have no birds and birds are coming now. Let's see where are those birds. Those birds are right outside. Okay, we are bringing them in now. Please watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We are on the birds. We are in the pen. We are taking them out one by one. We will show them the water jar first. We them could go and get the water. Make sure you drink it. Yeah. Water there. Let's show you how water there, right? Yeah, get to it out for you alone there. Okay, we are training the birds with the water can. You see they are the water can, they are drinking water. Now we're gonna bring in a little bit of feed. We are training them on the water. Now we are bringing in the feed. Okay, we are just taking a few minutes. In the bird, we are now gonna get the feed. The feed are in there. We are getting the feed up. Okay. The birds are drinking the water. Here we have the feed trough. We just shake it up. So you see we have everybody's up now. You see how we have this one now. We do the same thing with this. Okay, we have the same thing with this. You see, you have level it with your hand. We have the next one. You do the same thing with this. Just take your time. Oh, so we have this handle out. You have to just fix it. Then we have to take your time same way with it, right? So we have it for everybody shake down. Everybody in the pen now, right? Okay, we have the birds are coming very wonderful, very healthy. The birds are already get a tonic. We have a little bit of rain, it does drizzling. See how the birds are going on for the water. This is 150 birds are in this penny. And this one over here, we have 100 birds over there. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe on my channel. Okay. The guy was asking me the length of my pen. I told him. Well, now I'm gonna tell them again, right? The pen is 22 feet in length, 5 feet, 6 inches in width. Okay, 6 feet, sorry, 6 inches in width. And we are making different section. This is the first section. We have the second section here. Okay, the birds are on my photo. Well, the birds are so wonderful. They are getting so healthy. We have to take these box out of the way. You see the birds are running very nice. And we just get that box outside. This is the first day for the board, right? It is the 18th. This is the second section. Okay, don't forget to keep connected with the channel. You will get each video once you subscribe and hit the bell. Okay, always give me a thumbs up on my video. This is the first week for the birds. This is the first week. Last week Wednesday, bringing these birds here. There's 100 birds over here. 100 birds are over here. Okay, they are coming very healthy too. I will put some feed in the chaff. Okay, love how these birds are coming here too. They are coming very healthy. You see, they are picking on the ground too. They will get sense and know that that is not food. They have to find food. You see over there we have a portion they are eating. Okay, we have a portion they are eating over there. Right? We have a little bit they are eating here, but they will get to know mostly more enough are picking on the ground, but they will get to know what is food and what is not food. I just love farming. Mining animals are part of farming too. The birds are looking very wonderful, very precious. We are just laughing up, rolling and holding, because we have a little bit of rain. We need to keep the heat for the boards. I will just put some more feed. You see, then we go over here and check the feed. You see, and they are empty. 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 Okay. Here's full of the feed shaft.